Have you ever been in the middle of work or immersed into the best gaming session of your life and all of a sudden pops up the blue screen of death? Well, that is what has been happening to me. Corsair reached out and challenged me to create the most epic next generation setup, which will now become my personal battle station. Let's take a look. So with the introduction of my Philips Hue products and my Nanoleaf lighting products to the setup, Corsair iCUE has introduced Corsair Murals to their software. Now what that does is it syncs the lighting from the whole setup together, including the Nanoleafs and the Philips products. Now to add Nanoleaf and Philips Hue to the Corsair iCUE software, simply go to Settings, go to Integrations, and turn both of them on and run through the setup wizard. Now at the left side of the screen, you'll see a bunch of preset murals. You can even go and add your own For example, if you want to do image capture, you could go next and then you can hit the plus button and choose your own image. But for now, we're going to choose a different effect. Let's go for a bit of an abstract color. Now, of course, you can deselect some of the products. So if I want to turn my Philips Hue off, that will stay at its default settings while everything else syncs in the setup. Now, if we want to go for something a little more crazier, say Interstellar, and we select that, everything in the setup has synced. And if we go to the Murals tab up the top left, you can actually customize this screen and drag each individual component on the screen to where you want it. So for example, the middle of the screen is looking a little red. Now, if we want more red in the setup, we could drag our shapes all the way into the middle and they will primarily show red. Now, of course, you can stack multiple items on top of each other, but I think I'm liking blue a little more, so I might drag them towards the outside where there's not as much red. Now, you can even do a bit of an audio visualizer. If you're playing music or something in the background, this of course will react. Or you could go for that rainbow puke and have everything RGB across the whole setup. Of course, dragging things around to your desired look. I thought this was a super interesting integration, and if you guys want to learn more about this, you can check out the links in the video description.